So it's embarrassing, but I'm just going to go ahead and spill it. When you're staying in a hostel, like I am, it is cheap. But bear in mind, you better watch your crap. Don't leave it laying around in common areas, like I did a $300 Sonic toothbrush today. Yeah, it was 300 bucks, which is a lot of money after you lost everything. But more importantly, it might be a bit tricky finding another one here. I'm sure I'll stumble upon one in my travels somewhere. But word to the wise, I left it probably like right here this morning while I was trying to sit around outside because everybody else is still sleeping because they sleep in late. It's just like guide side or living in guide land with river guides and young people. Some of them don't have very good morals. A lot of young folks don't. It's just the reality of life and sticky fingers. So I need to find another one so I can keep my teeth. And well, that's just one more problem. But you consider the many thousands of dollars worth of personal belongings I lost and my home. This isn't a big deal. So I'm gonna make the most of it. And I'm sharing this for you when you stay in hostels to save a few dollars. Watch your things, pay attention. Just a short lapse of your attention can cost you.